Guys, how next level is this? Okay, here's the setup for Christmas Eve dinner. I'm so excited. Hi guys, so today's actually Christmas Eve. So I guess Merry Christmas Eve whenever you're watching this. I don't know if this is gonna go up next week, but Merry late Christmas Eve. But I thought I would just start up a little weekly vlog for you guys. Vlog today, as well as tomorrow, so actually Christmas as well. And just show you everything I get up to and how we celebrate. Well, obviously this year it's gonna be a little bit smaller. It's just gonna be my immediate family and my aunt and cousin due to COVID. But just grateful we all still get to celebrate, and would rather keep it small and just keep it safe. But anyways, it's around almost 10:30 right now. I'm actually gonna start helping my mom prep some things for tonight so we don't have to like stress about it later and stuff like that. I feel like probably starting this year is like the year I dedicated to like actually really like watching my mom, how she cooks all of the things she usually makes for holidays, because I feel like it's important to learn how to do it yourself as well. Also, while we're here, I don't think I'm gonna do a what I got for Christmas video. I think considering what the world is going through right now and considering all the circumstances everyone is in, it's just like not right to do it this year. I feel like the video can already come off in kind of a braggy way, even though obviously it is never ever meant to, or at least I never ever mean it to come off like that, but I just feel like it wouldn't be right to do this year. So no what I got for Christmas video. Maybe I'll do like a little mini haul in this. I just don't want it to come off in like way, if that makes sense. Anyways, I'm gonna start helping my mom make a bunch of stuff. I'll show you guys all of that, so let's go do that. But yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say. So Merry Christmas Eve everyone. Hope you enjoy this weekly vlog. We're also stuffing mushrooms, by the way.
Yes, mushroom caps. We've taken off all the stems that are inside of this mushroom, as you can see, and put them into this bowl. We are then taking panko, Italian seasoned. They're sort of like breadcrumbs, they're kind of like breadcrumbs, but it's a healthier version. Then we took fresh parsley, Italian parsley, and chopped that up. Then we took some Parmesan grated cheese, and then we put a little fresh garlic. And now what we're gonna do is stuff these lovely mushrooms. Yes. And you're gonna go like this and put it in like that.
Do you push it down?
And then yes, you take the spoon and push it a little bit.
Make it accurate.
Yeah, exactly.
Cool.
See? 2 down, 21 more to go.
Learn how to cook.
That is
your mom's
yes
things, guys.
Yeah, so that way you can always remember her when we're old and we can't cook anymore.
And then the secret is the panko on top. Nice, Mama.
You drizzle a little bit of olive oil.
And then put it in the oven.
Yeah.
For how long? Like
30 minutes.
At 40. What? 450? 350?
No, 350. When you start seeing them get golden brown is when you take them out.
I'm so excited. Okay, so what's this?
So this is
stuffing for the lobster.
So I took Ritz crackers and I smashed them up with a rolling pin inside of a Ziploc bag. That is the trick. Then I chopped up parsley, and now you have Parmesan cheese in here.
Ignore Nope in the background.
I think that's it. And it gives the breadcrumbs even more flavor.
Got it. Okay, boom. Done?
Yeah, you want to show it to them?
Yeah.
Delicioso.
Very, very healthy.
Delicious.
Not.
So we have asparagus with truffle oil and a little bit of shaved Parmesan.
Since I'm 21, we have Moscow mules.
Yeah.
This is major. Say Merry Christmas now, Blue and Gray. If you know, you know where it's at. We have lobster, some pasta with a little bit of lobster in it, some stuffed mushrooms, and then asparagus. Hi, everyone say hi to the vlog.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
We got the fam. made by yours truly, the Marsala olive oil cake. We have some cheesecake. How good does that look? Also some creme brulee and the best dessert of all time, pineapple cherries. Merry Christmas, everybody. Christmas pajamas are on. These are the cutest little silk pajamas I just got. They're from Victoria's Secret. We're gonna go open presents and make some breakfast. Time for cinnamon rolls. I'm so excited. Can we just take a moment? Oh my gosh.
We got a little bit of scrambled eggs going here with some truffle salt and a tiny bit of truffle oil.
Ooh, some more pancakes. Little fresh fruit from last night. Oh my gosh.
Caramelized ham with brown sugar and pineapple.
Cinnamon rolls, pineapple from last night.
Truffle scrambled eggs.
And pancakes. Wow.
See, Paige doesn't know that we're here on her vlog camera. Hey, what do you want to tell her? That you're grateful and thankful for a cozy housey? Okay, love you. Bye. Merry Christmas all. We're caught. Now what? Oh no.
Okay, I'm vlogging on my phone, so if the quality changed a little bit, that's why. But I'm in the car, obviously. We're on our way to a little Christmas hike and get some exercise in. Every time I come here with my dad, he freaks out about parking.
Because there's never any parking.
That's not true. You just have to like inch up.
Inch up to what? To no parking spaces?
Such a gorgeous day. Merry Christmas.
December 25th and it's 70 degrees.
More paprika?
It's supposed to make the breadcrumbs change like to more of a rusty color. Top of it and
The hand motions are cute.
Yeah.
Take two. Best Christmas breakfast ever.
Nobu and I want to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas, right?
It's worse than the mall.
No, but if you want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. Not today? Okay, maybe later.
In here we have, oh that's probably something. It's like a plane disturbance flying over.
I know.